Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubhari from eGadgets for you. You know, SIR has been put into effect in India and certain states has already started with the process. I reside in West Bengal and it is going on in full flow in West Bengal as of now. Now the most primary thing that you need to know that it is the most mandatory and the easiest process you can avail to get yourself listed as a proper citizen of India and get your voting rights as well and listed in your voting list. Now to do that, there has been a lot of misinformations, misguides and things like that. But if you have proper documents and everything, nothing can stop you from being a citizen of India. The most primary factor over here is that the BLOs are visiting your house and they are handing over you some forms and you need to fill it out and then hand it over to the BLO on the specific dates. But the online option or the online portal has also opened. To apply for SIR through the online portal, the link that I'll share in the description as well as it will be coming on the screen right now as I am speaking. And to do that, the most primary factor that you need to have is that your voter card should be linked with a mobile number. In most of the cases or the scenarios, even for me also, my mobile number is not linked with the voter card. I think the same is for most of the voters as of yet. But it's a very simple process. In this particular video, I'll show you how to link your mobile phone with your voter card. So let's get started. So once you visit this particular website, there is a option that says fill enumeration form. You can opt for that or opt for the fill form 8. Both the options are quite valid. So I'm going with the enumeration form 1. Over here I'm selecting the state. For me, my state is West Bengal, and after that I have to give the epic number and hit the search button. So I'm entering the epic number and then hitting the search. For obvious reason, I will blank it out. Yes, once you do that, you will see all your details, the epic number details. And at the bottom right, you will see an option that says a click here, link will be generated for those persons who do not have the phone number. So now you either select self or you select for others. Whatever it is, you have to give the epic number and the details of the epic number will appear over there. And after that, this is the most important option. Select the second option over here that says correction of the epic numbers over there. So yeah, the second option, and after that you don't need to do anything in the first one. You just need to go hit next, and after that in this box you need to enter your Aadhaar number, your phone number, and also your email ID. And after that, once you hit next, you get this particular option where you get to choose some mobile, and after choosing mobile you just give your correct phone number, hit next, and over here enter the place. I'm just entering the place from where I am entering. It's a next, then the captcha, and once the captcha has been given, the OTP will come to the mobile number that I've given above that you want to be linked to your voter card. And on giving the OTP, it says preview, submit and preview. So this is a very important page because all your information will be displayed over here. If something is not right, you just hit keep editing or then go for e-sign and submit. Remember, you may need to do it multiple times because the server is very busy. But once you hit that e-sign and submit, this pop-up comes. You select yes in the pop-up, and after that give it some time. If it doesn't happen, do it more. Keep it happening till this particular page comes where you have to enter your Aadhaar and give the OTP, which will come to the registered mobile number of the Aadhaar card. And finally click the submit button over there. Once you you will get a reference number over here. Make note of it or download the acknowledgement form where you get that particular thing, and then again go to the home page and click on track application status, give the reference number, search, and you will see the status will come over here. It's a e-roll updated status, means it has already been updated. So it's easy peasy and very quick. So as we have seen, it's a very straightforward and very easy process that you can do for yourself. And mind you, the phone number, the mobile number gets linked with your voter card within a matter of seconds only. So hope this video was helpful. If you have liked this video, consider liking and sharing with your friends and family. This is a very informative video. So stay tuned for more updates like this. See you soon. Bye.